Okay, we live? Yep. Cool. How's everybody doing? I apologize for the DC the other day. Don't really know what happened. I guess it's just comes with the territory of streaming, I guess. But where I left off, I was trying to figure out the plug mechanic here and seeing if I could maybe simplify it a little bit, because it's a very involved process with a teleport trigger here that essentially sets off this logic relay that attaches the plug to this info target. And so while it plugs in smoothly, it's impossible to reverse. And oh, interesting, someone's at the door. Okay, sorry about that. Dogs get a little yappy and it's distracting. So I hope you enjoyed the music, and hopefully it doesn't get muted in the VOD. But anyway, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see if I can plug in, or rather detach a plug that's already plugged into an outlet. And that's step one. I also want to see if I'm able to reattach it and then pull it back out again. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do is try and find an example of that in one of the Black Mesa levels. And right now, the only ones that I can recall are in the, what was it called? The interloper levels, I think. But before I dive into it, I'm gonna make a quick announcement that I'm online. Should I even bother with Twitter? Twitter doesn't seem to really get me a whole lot of traction. I think I'd prefer just hanging out with friends and maybe drop my Twitter in like work in progress posts or something on Twitter. Anyway, so yeah, let's see if I can find an example of a plug that's already attached to an outlet that I can detach. Okay, so that's a Zen map. Let's look for the interloper map. And of course, it's a very big map, so there's a lot going on there. Where does interlopers start? All that. I guess I'll start from the beginning and just browse until I find it. No surprise that this would take a whole lot to load. This probably was like the hugest like level. Alright, so where do I start? So many volumes. Oh, is this the how does anybody make sense of all that? Okay, yeah, I think this is where you kind of have that moment with these bad boys. They show up and start mind controlling everything. Oof. I can't even... No wonder it was so laggy. There's just so many scripted events going on here. Let's see. I can't even navigate through this. How did they do it? Oh, you know what? I take it back. Let's backtrack to another Zen map. Because if I recall, there was some kind of tree or something at the very end. Before it throws you into Gonarch's lair, you're in like this crystal cave tree thing. And I think that had some plugs in it. Hunting for plugs. Okay, so what is this? Good lord, how does anybody make sense of all this? I am like on the outside looking in here. That is insane. Okay, but it is what I'm looking for, I think. Right. Yeah, because there's the vines to the tree thing. I think that's where I'm at. I'll just... Nope. I need to go off to side. You, what are you? You're that whole thing? Wow. What's that? Okay. Other way. We want to go this way. And what about this? What are you? You're the tree, I presume. This is like, yo. I can't make heads or tails of all this because there's so many volumes that they've stuck in here. Whew. Zen maps are real tough to navigate. Okay, so yeah, there's crystals. That's the portal, I presume. Where is the... Oh god, is there a filter or something? View. Show models in 2D. Show helpers. Hide items. I kind of needed that. So bring that back. Control E. I need to remember that. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to get used to looking through a haze of yellow. Okay, info target. That's a door. Opens. These are where you insert, I think, plugs. Environment shake. Woo. Yeah. So here are things that are connected. Oh my god, how am I supposed to select anything? This is not the best way to work. I don't want to have to delete it, but I don't know, let's just see what happens and just make sure not to save any changes. Whoa! No, 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 no. I need that back. Come back. Control Z. Interesting. Is this a VMF in the scene itself that I could maybe check out? Let's see. Yeah, there's a whole... Yeah, look at all these. Hub with vines. Shared cave. Hub shared vines. I'm gonna take a gamble here and see. Yo. What is this? This is just a... It's just a cave. Okay. Let's try a hub with vines. See what that does. Hey, yo. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay, interesting. So, I guess this is what they would do if they had separate designers working on the same map. They would each work on their selected portion and then import it as kind of like its own giant entity. I've never done that. I've heard of it. But, what would happen if I ran it? F9, see what happens. It's gonna be like, no. I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before it eats you alive. Yeah, yeah. Valve Radiosity Simulator, now with more Dr. Kleiner. Cleaner? I don't know what that is. Valve just likes to insert inside jokes in their compilers, I guess. This is fun. Today and tomorrow are probably going to be the last days that I'm going to try and work on plugs and outlets because I need to start getting mapping and designing the level underway. So starting next week, I'm going to be entering production 1, which is basically blocking out the level, testing gameplay, and starting to, actually make the thing, not just all the little pieces to it. So if I can't figure out plugs, then what's probably going to happen is I'm going to just use pipes and valves and stuff to do things because I've already got that stuff working. And yeah, that's going to influence my design decisions. It's a little sad when you can't get a feature to work, but this is why, you would have multiple designers working, not just one, and they would have been working on their own time simultaneously as I would be. And then we could have all gotten together and had a meeting. But that's just how it is. This is how features end up getting cut. Oh, that's why it's taking so long. It's building face lights. Okay. This is why I usually save lighting for last. realize I'm only talking to myself. So, self, how's your day going? Or anybody watching my YouTube videos, if you end up watching this and make it to this part, how are you guys doing? Mention it in the comments section, but be nice. Comment section is not licensed to be mean. I might have to cancel this. Just want to figure out plugs. I suppose while I am waiting, I can maybe look up some documentation about it. Hey, yo. This is even slowing down my my RAM. Let's see. Hammer. Just type in plugs. Well, that didn't work. Okay. Oh my god, it's just getting to 1. That's crazy. Okay, well, check entities, I guess. Let's see what we can use. Because there was a funk fizz. Project. This is where it's getting a little hazy because I'm looking at the Valve developer wiki, which I am not sure if it's been updated with the Black Mesa library of stuff, or if Black Mesa has their own wiki. If they do, let's see. Black Mesa Hammer wiki. Let's just have a looky. That is the game. No. Not trying to find a job with Black Mesa. As far as I know, they're not working on any more Crowbar. I don't know what Crowbar Collective is working on. It'd be kind of cool if we got like an update from them and see what they're doing. But let's see. Yeah. There's absolutely nothing except for level aesthetics. Look, like right here. Oh my god, it's slowing my computer down. Oh no, it's not good. But yeah, look. It'd be nice if this whole page got updated. But no. Okay. What to do? Yeah, this is gonna take up like the whole stream, so let's not do that. Yeah, terminate. Yes, just yeah. Just forget it. Or not. Hope I'm not gonna have to do too much combat. Hey, yo. Yep, there I go, falling through the world, into the void. It's all good. Don't worry about it. I love how trippy it is, though, whenever you do that. Yeah, I guess I could try and just grab all this and see what happens. I don't even... There's a lot going on there. Oh, interesting. Oop, nope, I want that. Give me that. Give me that. That. Everything. I have no idea. Look, we got triggers. Give me that. Give me that. Is there anything else? Probably need that.
Don't cry.
Don't cry. I want to cry. Alright, let's see. I don't even know. And probably these logic relays. There's 4 logic relays. Man, there's a lot going on here. Logic auto, give me that. Logic relay, give me that. Give me that. I'll take the sounds too, why not? No, give me. If anybody can make heads or tails of that. All right, copy let's go back to my test map. Yeah, I'm really in the dark now about this. This is like serious R&D because I have no idea what it is I'm doing. And I weep without shame. Now, of course, I totally forgot about that. Don't worry about it. Let's just do this. There we go. Works for me. And then you, I'm just gonna delete. I assume you're just a static. Actually, yeah. Goodbye. Alright. Don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. Yeah. Guarantee you, I probably forgot something. Okay, so okay. Maybe not. How about this? Nope. It's just giving me an error for some reason. Get in there. That is a little amusing, seeing how floppy that is. So that snaps to it. Okay. See, that would work if the parenting of the cable wasn't so weird. But it doesn't work like that. So let's just see what happens. Now, what's the deal here? Why is this thing giving me problems? And they went with the fizz box on these things too. I'm seeing a pattern. Well, Funk Fizzbox. Yeah, where do you see that? Okay. It is in the list. It's a brush entity, treated as a physics object. I really wish there was a section in the wiki pages that say, like, when would you use this and why? I'm not going to concern myself too much with it. I may just have to accept the fact that I'm going to be stuck with these things. I'm going to just delete all these. Yeah, that's a little too much. I would still like to figure this thing out, so subdivisions. It had maximum value is 8. Let's go with 8. I like 8. And now let's do this. So I kind of left it off where it's all got its name, disable shadows, yes, prop data, metal. Okay, we can change that a little. Disable shadows, yes, and prop data. We want metal medium, I guess, and material type, metal. Go ahead and apply. And then, what do we got? Flags. Debris, don't collide with player. Use preferred carry angles. Only break on trigger. And don't take physics damage. Okay. Generate output on use. Okay. Let's double check. One, 2, 3, 4. Don't take physics damage. There we go. Apply. Okay. Whoop. Now, is there anything else? The outputs. Don't worry about the constraints. I don't want to deal with that. Plug relay, disable motion. So we're gonna have this relay doing things. So, all right, let's go ahead and do that. Let's give ourselves a project or logic relay. And I guess we'll just name it my plug 1 relay. And what's next? Info target. info target. My plug 1 and 2 target and apply. You will be going here. View, show models. Thank you. Looks all right. And I guess we'll change this to the trigger teleport. I'm still confused why use a teleport. Let's fix that. There. And I guess just for good measure, we'll move this out of the way. There we go. So that goes there. This should probably overlap this. It's fine. And what are we calling this? Plug teleport. Okay. My plug 1 teleport and apply. And a filter name. Filter activator name. My plug 1 filter. Okay. And that might be it. Now the logic happens. So with this, it has an output, but those are for constraints, so nothing left to happen there. And follow the steps, I guess. So it touches the trigger. It's got teleport name, no parent, filter name. So we do the filter and then the destination, which is the target. Okay. Filter name, my plug 1 filter, and the target is going to be my plug 1. Hello? My plug 1 and 2 target. Okay, we'll apply that. Now let's jump back over and see output. On start touch, trigger the relay. Okay. My plug 1 relay, trigger. No. On start touch. Is that it? Yeah. Okay. No delay either, so it's just that. Flags. Physics objects. Yep. Nope. And nope. Apply. And let's just make sure that there's nothing inputting on that. Okay. So now we're jumping to the relay. So let's talk to the relay. Start disabled? Nope. Outputs. Yeah, I left out a lot. On trigger, plug box, disable motion? Is that what this is? Disable motion. Okay. Add on trigger. My plug 1 and 2 physics. Disable motion. And we hit apply. After a delay of a fraction of a second. Okay. Inputs, yeah, flags, only trigger once. Okay. And that's it for that. Is there anything happening with the filter? Filter name, plug box. Oh, right. I need to specify what exactly I'm filtering, and that is that. My plug 1 and 2 physics. Apply. And then any outputs? Nope. Flags? Nope. Nothing. So what about this? Doesn't seem to be anything. Okay. Let's just see what happens. Yeah. I think maybe after this stream, if I still haven't quite figured it out, I'm going to maybe look for some YouTube tutorials, because there's got to be something out there for that, for this. Sorry, had to check my phone for a sec. Ooh. What is up with the clipping? That's not good. Could you not do that? Let's restart that. Let's see. It's the first time I'm noticing that. Okay, that's snapped in there. Interesting. But this one is having an issue. I wonder, actually, if it might be on trigger teleport, output, on start touch, trigger that relay. Maybe I should also add on start touch, target yourself, my plug 1, teleport, disable or kill. Let's see what happens. Because it may be freaking out because it's constantly like trying to trigger it, so it's constantly like going back and forth on that. Ow, why does my head hurt? I need a new beanie. Okay, so pop this bad boy in. it's really having an issue with that. I wonder if it's because it's too far away. I don't know. This one, I didn't put a constraint on it, so I could pull this as far as I want to, and it will just stretch. So let's see what happens. Whoa! That's odd. Is it because I came at it from the side? Let's see what happens. Actually, let's restart that. So, let's see about this. Whoop. It auto adjusts. Hold on. Let's see. Outputs. On start touch. Kill the teleport. No. I don't think we want that. Let's just delete that. Maybe if we change this to only fire once. Let's fire once and see what happens. I should really get back into creative writing. I liked that. It was very therapeutic. Something is like firing multiple times. That's the only explanation I have for that. But it doesn't seem to be this as the problem. So let's turn that back to fire only once. Maybe it's with the relay. We go to the relay. Start disable no. Output. Disable motion. With a delay of 1. Plug 1, end 2, target. Wait a minute. Wait, what's calling on the target? Is that just a visual aid? Are you really just useless? You gotta be kidding me. You're just there? Alright, that's a bathroom break. I'll be right back. Alright, back. So, about this. It serves no purpose. It's just there to point out to you something here. So I'm wondering if the problem is the fact that this thing is colliding with this. And so maybe instead of prop static, I change it to... I don't think a dynamic would help. There's gotta be a way to disable collisions. Use not solid? Let's try it and see. It's just a wall piece after all. It doesn't matter if it impedes me. Let's just see what happens. If it really becomes a problem, then I can just put like an invisible collider that only blocks the player. Oh. I think I had changed this thing. Outputs. Or maybe I did? What? Hang on. Hang on. Input, disable motion, have to delay for 1 second. Fire rules. That does nothing. Same thing. Whoop. Alright, so what about this? On start touch, trigger the relay, no delay. And home. Okay, that's no different. This has a filter. Okay, so it did have a purpose. Okay. Alright, so let's bring that back. Yeah, come on. Okay. So then, let's try this. Alright. So, yeah. Wait, where did I see that? That wasn't it. It was this. So the remote destination was this. So weird how they do that. And they're just like, yeah, teleport it to that. But I wonder why they do that and do that with the plugs and not with the valves. Probably because you use the valves. But back to this. Let's change it from use physics to not solid. And we'll just apply that and see if it makes a difference. Alright. Continue. That feels better. Of course, I should remember where the center of the object is. Come on. Yeah, that's a little crazy. So I bet if I turn the volume off to that, let's quit. Yeah. And this. Let's change it from use V physics to not solid. Apply. See, snaps in nicely. But I can't pull it out. And I guess the next thing that I would want to do is maybe turn on the light or something. Just to see if I could. Question is, where would I want to do that? Maybe in the relay. The logic relay. So maybe instead of start active, I would just say no. Hit apply. Oh, I should probably name it. Info my plug 1 light. Hit apply. Then go to the logic relay. Outputs. Doesn't disable the motion, or it doesn't. I think I would either do it on the logic relay or the maybe it doesn't matter. Why do I even need that? Couldn't I just say disable motion? Disable motion. Wait. Cancel. Just keep it at that. See what happens. 'Cause it's like. Disabled, yes. And just see what happens. There's nothing else broken, is it? Output, input. then I guess the next thing would be add on start touch. I plug one light. Start. See what happens. It's clean. Doesn't need the logic relay. So then what happens if I just delete it? Ka-chunk. So I guess the logic relay may have been just for, I guess, a way to make, like, I guess it's what programmers would call clean code. And maybe it just keeps the trigger from constantly, like, I don't know. It feels like a preference to me, honestly. But this seems to work. All right. Well, that's one thing done successful. I still don't know if I'm going to be able to pull a plug out from anywhere. But that makes it simpler, I guess. So we got that. That's at least one thing done. We can make it do things. The next thing that I want to... Let's bring up the list. You ever get a notification on your phone, but have no idea where the notification came from? Because I don't have like a red marker anywhere. Projects, mods, Black Mesa, current projects, backlog. Yeah. All right, let's check this out again. Can I attach a loose plug to an outlet? Yes. Can I generate power to an object? I was able to turn on a light particle system. What about switches and platforms, though? Switches, platforms. So I'll say yes to that. Okay. So let's do this. Let's create another block. Dev. Let's do this. Something that I'm gonna do here, a little bit of geo editing. Cool. So let's move this bad boy to right there. Or actually, let's just move it over here, out of the way. That's fine. So now it's probably going to be a prop static. And let's look for like a button console. I suppose that would have worked. I'm just looking for a flat panel, guys. Nothing complicated. Well, that's a button. And it is, yes, a static. Okay. Let's apply that. Well, that's tiny. And then, I don't know, could it be, if I hit add, what could be added to it? Nothing. You can't do nothing to a static. Alright, never mind. What if I changed it to a prop dynamic? Let's see if that makes a difference. Apply. Then output, add. There's no on use, so I have to change that. You know what? Let's have a look back at the valves and see. Change that. Info. You go ahead and stay there. Valves. So this is a momentary rote button. For rotation. But what if I just use a funk button? There's got to be a funk button. Funk. No. Button. Here, let's do this. Prop Well, let's just see if it makes a difference. My plug 1 red light. Apply, start active, and nope. And we are going to put you facing out this way. Same with you. And we're going to make you a... Hey! That was weird. Oh no, headphones about to die. And we are gonna make you green. In there. Unpack green. Is there a Zen marker? No. So I guess you're gonna have to be blue. Oh boy. Zen. Why it really doesn't like me. Zen marker light. So we'll just use that. Okay, and we're gonna name you my plug 1 blue light. And what we're gonna do is we're going to have you both start active. Set that to no, no. Okay, so red light becomes active. Let's add on start touch. My plug 1 red light. Go ahead and start that. And this one I think I do want to fire only once. So we'll hit yes and apply that. Okay. And so the next thing we're gonna do is put you in a box. And what kind of box? Maybe with the invisible on it. Browse. Invis. To entity, and we want this to be a... Will the button work? Func button. Flags. Starts locked. Oh, and we're gonna toggle. My plug one button active activator. Okay. So it starts locked, so we need to unlock it. That's what happens here. Add on start touch. My plug one button activator. Unlock. Apply. Okay. And so once it is unlocked, we're gonna add on pressed for the red light. We are going to... Oh, there's no toggle? I think this is where we need the logic relay. All right. My _ plug one light toggle relay. Apply. So we want to trigger this. Add on pressed light toggle relay. Oh, it's got a toggle right there. So that will toggle. Apply. And then this is where it messes with the lights. Okay. Output, add, on trigger. We want to turn the red light off. Red light. Stop. Y. And then also on trigger. Blue light. We want that to start. And apply. And dang it. Hang on. All right, apply, and let's see what happens. Double check this. Output. Activator unlocks. Let's just see what happens. Nothing happens. Plug that in. Okay, so we got the red light here. Huh. Does not want to use anything. It's like I am in range, right? Maybe toggle isn't the right one to use. Because it's on trigger, and if these aren't let's change it from toggle to trigger and see what happens. The problem is that if I hit trigger, then this is only going to fire like once, because right now it's like if it triggers, it's going to stop this and start this, and that's all we're going to get. It's only going to work once and then never again. Flags. Yeah. Speed. Lip. What is lip? Well, starts locked, use activates, toggle. Did I turn this? Yeah, it should unlock, so that shouldn't be a problem. Alright, let's see what happens. Continue, yeah. Okay, so yeah, so it works, but it only works once. I want to try one more thing and see if it makes a difference. I want to try using one more relay. We'll name this blue to red. Blue to red relay. And we will rename this red to blue relay. Oh, come on. Red to blue. And apply. Okay. Alright, so we have two logic relays. This one will trigger. Yeah. This one here and apply. So now we have that. This triggers red to blue. So it goes stopping the red, starts the blue. And then for this one, we want it to actually start the red and stop the blue. Apply. Are we sure there isn't like a toggle switch or a toggle function? No. Logic. case. Compare. Logic relay. Okay. Then this should be. Oh, lordy. Actually, now that I think about it... Wait, no, it didn't give me the toggle option. That's why I went with the logic relay. Yeah, so if I did this and did like on-pressed my blue light... Oh wait, it does have a start. Oh, but it doesn't have a toggle, which is what I need. I hate logic. It is unforgiving. We could maybe try enable and disable. Why couldn't toggle work? Add on trigger. Blue to red relay. Maybe try that. Toggle apply. Relay. Toggle. Try that. I don't know. We'll try it and see what happens. Still don't know about that. It's almost lunchtime. I'm gonna try a couple more things and then call it for lunch. Alright, so plug this in, ka-chink, that turns on. Okay, that turns off, and then that's on. It does nothing. Nope. Okay, then let's try this. I have no idea if this would work, but let's see. Instead of trigger, let's toggle red to blue, and then add another on pressed. Blue to red. And toggle. Maybe that's what I was missing. Maybe it needed two things to toggle to and from. So flags. Yep. Okay. And so we'll leave it at that. And I would just like to delete that. And delete that. See if that makes a difference. Fingers crossed. I'm like R. Kelly, y'all killing me with this. Chink. Okay. Nope. That was kind of my last Hail Mary. trying to cause like a chain reaction with all that. It's kind of nuts, if I'm being completely honest. See what happens when I trigger them both instead of toggle. Let's turn on trigger. There's no way. This is probably going to cause like a major conflict in logic. Ka-chink. And then this is where all hell's gonna break loose. It can't be that simple. Nope, it isn't. Okay, let's go back out of this and a mod for Skyrim. He's part of the mod team that is actually remaking Oblivion for Skyrim. So check him out. He's good people. I like him. Cool. All right. I will will see everybody later. Probably this afternoon. So, till then, take care.